What were you telling me?
Cheese.
Cheese. I thought you said my eye.
Cheese.
Oh, wow.
Cheese.
You got something in your eye.
Cheese.
Okay. That was me taking your picture.
Take the paper.
I did. Get the straw out of your eye.
Poke your eye out, kid.
Yeah, poke your eye out.
Cheese. Cheese. Daddy. My daddy.
Good luck, Mom.
Thanks.
Cheese.
Good job. That was a good picture.
Oh, good. Good, Mama.
You're welcome, buddy. Hi, Perry. Perry's taking the place of Mouse today.
Nice today.
Because Mouse couldn't come to the house.
I like it.
That's Mommy's heart monitor.
It hurts.
It doesn't hurt. My
Whoa.
Perry.
my nurse said, I don't know why you're on the hall. You're coming with him. You